For today's look, I will be using my Jaclyn Morphe palette, and I have chosen the color Pookie to be my transition color today. Once I have the shade Pookie all worked in, I'm going in with the next shade. It's right next to it and it's called Hunts, and I am going to be blending that in right underneath Pookie. The next shade I'll be taking is the shade here. It's called Jax. I think that's how you say it. I want to believe that's how you say it. I'm just going to work that in to add more depth into my crease. Right here, I'm going back in with that transition shade Pookie just to bring that up a little more. It kind of got lost as I was adding the other two colors, so I'm just bringing it back in. And then I'm going in with Jax again just to blend it all together. The next shade I will be taking is Central Park, and I am going to start working that into my crease just to darken it up some more. So I'm really taking my time when it comes to blending everything out because I just want my look to look super flawless and blended. Right now I'm taking the color Abyss and I am adding that into my cut crease, and I'm really only going to work that color in towards the bottom of my cut crease. You guys will definitely get what I mean when I say the bottom of my cut crease when I cut my crease. Now I'm going in with the brush that I applied Central Park with, and I'm just going to be blending everything so it's nice and flawless. Per usual, I will be using my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut out my cut crease and to fill in my lids. You definitely want to make sure your cut crease is nice and sharp and just perfect. Now I'm taking the shade Sissy and I'm spraying some setting spray on it so it can stand out when I apply it, and I'm just going to apply this all over my lid. I absolutely love this color because it's pink, but it also has gold iridescence in it, and depending on how the light hits it, it changes color. Like, I don't know, it's just so pretty. Now I'm taking that black color Abyss again, and I'm taking that on a really small angled brush, and I'm just lining where my cut crease is so that black stands out a little more. You know that black I was talking to y'all about a little earlier? That's what I was trying to get. I'm just going in with Central Park and buffing everything out. Alright guys, this is the part I pray I don't fuck up, because I am going to try something I've never tried before. I am going to do like the Indian style cat eye eyeliner, so let's see how this goes. Now I'm taking my black Radiance gel liner and I'm using a tiny angled brush to do my eyeliner with. I start in the corner of my eye and I make that pointy triangle look
I know y'all know what I'm talking about. I don't really know how to explain it. But yeah, I go ahead and I do my point, and then I begin filling in my liner. Honestly guys, this eyeliner look is way harder to achieve than it looks, honestly. I did pretty good with this eye, but this wasn't my favorite eye. The eye that I did off camera is the eye that I like better. Right now, I am creating my winged liner, and then I will be filling that portion in as well. I'm telling you guys, I took such a long time with this process, just making sure that it's perfect. And here I am connecting the inner corner of my eye to make that point. I don't know exactly what to call it, but you guys know what I'm talking about. And then now I am just going over that with some liquid liner. This liquid liner is a little darker than the gel liner I used, so I'm just tracing it over. Now I'm taking the color Abyss and I am going over my lash line with this, just to make it darker and make sure that everything is filled in. I'm using some eyelashes that I got off eBay. I will definitely put the link in the description. And then I didn't really like the way the eye looked, so I went in with some concealer and I just fixed it up a little bit. I also forgot to mention that I did use some of that brown Central Park to smoke out my bottom lash line. The last part of this eye look is me applying some mascara to my bottom lash line. For my highlight today, I will be using the Sonia Kashuk bronzer. Yes guys, it is a bronzer, so if you're lighter than me, it's going to bronze your face up. But because I'm brown skin, this color is a nice little glow on me, so I use it as a highlight. I'm going to be highlighting everywhere that I normally highlight, and that is it for the look for today. You know how everybody says they have a favorite eyebrow when they do their makeup? Well, for this look today, I have a favorite eye. The second eye that I did off camera came out way better. But yeah, that's it for the look today, guys. Thank you for watching. If you guys enjoyed this look, give it a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel, and also follow me on Instagram.